Hey everyone, Ron here from HEISTMAN'S Hit the Road. Welcome to the channel. In this episode, we wrap up our stay at Brennan Beach campground and set sail south to Red Rock BBQ, a popular harvest host in Susquehanna, Pennsylvania. There, we find ourselves boondocking, as our generator would crank but not start. But we make the best of it by enjoying a delicious barbecue dinner and lighting some candles back at the camper. After a night of rest, we continue our journey south to Thousand Trails Hershey Campground, where we'll be camping for 21 nights. There, the generator saga continues, and we join the fun at the campground's Halloween celebration, serving up treats, not tricks. Jackie and I are so glad you're here to join us on our adventure. So enough chatting, let's get started and hit the road. Just left Brennan Beach. We were there for, I don't know, maybe 20 nights, 18 nights. And we're on Route 81 heading south. We're heading to a harvest host in Susquehanna. We've been there before. It's called Red Rock BBQ and Catering. It's a great place. Hope to have a good dinner there tonight. And tomorrow, after an overnight rest, we'll continue the drive down to Lebanon, PA, to Thousand Trails Hershey, where we just were, about 18-20 days ago. So alright, so hopefully have a good, safe trip, and thanks for riding along. We're safely at our harvest host in Susquehanna, Pennsylvania. It's Red Rock BBQ and Catering. We've been here before a couple years ago. And yeah, we're in a nice spot, and there's like 4 other campers here too. And the problem is the generator would not fire. It's definitely an ignition issue. And here's the puppy. Won't fire at all. So tried it on gas and propane before I figured out I didn't have any ignition. So I'm not going to tear that thing down here. So right now we're truly boondocking on 2 lead acid batteries that, of course, getting it level and getting the slides out pretty much cooks them. So I've got it plugged in the truck right now. Truck's idling. Trying to charge the batteries up just so we'll make it through the night. But I got the Jackie running Starlink. So anyway, we're safe. Hi. Red Rock BBQ and Catering. Harvest host. We overnighted here last night. I didn't get any footage last night in the daylight because I was struggling with the generator, which never did get going. It's ignition. It's not firing, so figure it out. Anyway, it's a beautiful place. The food last night wasn't quite as good as we remembered it, but every restaurant has an off night, depending on who's on. They had a high school reunion, class of 70 up there at the barn last night. A lot of people were here. They had a good time. It's going to be a beautiful morning. It's about a 3-hour ride down to Hershey, and hopefully get down there and get set up good enough to watch the football game at 1 o'clock. So, alright. We're all packed up on hitch, ready to go. Jackie says hi, and see you down the road. You know, if I was any better, I'd have been here an hour ago.
That would have been too early.
Yeah, I know. Well, close though, right?
Yeah, very close.
Yeah.
Time flies when you're having fun.
Yeah, there you
Sure.
go.
Driver's license or membership card, either one. Been here before?
Oh, yeah.
Good, no speech.
No
Well, you
speech.
can give the speech if you want, but we've been there before.
All right. Heistman. There. So what you're going to do is, here's where you are at the ranger station. You're going to take your second left, go on down that road and pull right into C46. It's a pull through.
It's a pull through, so
Yep.
you go from that side. Okay.
Yep.
We're safely back at Hershey, Thousand Trails Hershey in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. It's a beautiful day. It's a good site, and all is well. On the way down here to Hershey, we stopped at a harvest host to overnight in Susquehanna, PA. And as a lot of you know, our generator would not run. So we did a real boondock there and we moved on. Now I've started to tear into this. Well, I did tear into it. And I could not find anything glaring. I figured, okay, it bounces around on the back bumper back here and it gets a lot of vibration, so maybe it knocked a connection loose. I couldn't find anything obvious. I checked circuit boards for a burn or connections for being loose. Nope, couldn't find anything. So what I figured is the easiest thing to do, and I tore it all down. I tore it way down further than I had to get the obvious replacement part out, which is the ignition control assembly, which is basically the ignition coil, but it's solid state, where typically on a small engine, these would pick up from a magnet off the flywheel and create the spark. But this is a solid state unit, so here's where the control plugs in. So I got out the manual and I got the part number, and I called the 1-800 number on the manual and asked them, is it in stock, and if so, how much? Well, I got a call center, and first of all, the number supersedes to a newer number, and not in stock. Not in stock in their dealers, not in stock at the warehouse, no information on when it would be in stock again. He asked me where I was, and I told him. He transferred the call to a service center, a Cummins service and sales center in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, which is about a half an hour from here. And I spoke to a gentleman there in the parts department, parts of service, and I gave him the information, and he said, okay, let me look into this. He said, I'll have to call you back. He said, something doesn't look right here. I don't know what that meant. So that was yesterday afternoon, about 4 o'clock, and I haven't heard back from him yet, and it's 6 o'clock here tonight, the next day. So I'm hoping to hear tomorrow. If I don't hear from him in the morning, I'll contact him again. Problem is, you can't call direct. You have to call the call center, and the call center has to transfer you. So anyway, we paid good money. It's an Rohn and Cummins 4500 inverter, dual fuel. I paid, I think, about $1,600 for it with tax and everything. And I was talking to a buddy last night, because you could have bought a Champion for like $400 and some odd. And I said, yeah, well, you know what? You're gonna laugh, but I paid the extra money because I wanted something that was reliable. So here we are. I'm not even sure that ignition coil is the problem. Really, I mean, there's no way for me to troubleshoot this. I don't have the tools it would take or the knowledge it would take to troubleshoot it. This seems like the most obvious thing. There's no spark at all. So here's the problem. If I can't get this part, I can't, install it and put the generator back together. The way the generator is right now, I can't travel like that. I had it covered up with a vinyl tarp because it rained and it snugged in there and it kept the rain off. It rained yesterday and last night. And, you know, I can't travel with this thing in pieces. Now, it took quite a bit to get these panels open and these panels off. You can see all the screws right there on that one panel. And in that Seresto tin, there's even more screws. So, it's apart. And so I'm going to start putting that thing back together. It'll probably take me, you know, I'll work on it about an hour tonight. And then tomorrow, too, now that the rain stopped. And I'm going to get it back together. I'll even put the coil back in. And, you know, I'll try it one more time. Maybe one of the connections I unplugged and plugged back in will make a difference. I don't know. But the last time we ran it was at a Harvest Host. It was in northern Pennsylvania, a Harvest Host there at Conklin's Unique Country. And the reason I was running it is because I had gasoline left in and I want to run it dry so the gas didn't foul. So I ran it dry. And they had a 30 amp plug-in for $10 a night. So I said, it isn't even worth running for gas and messing with the generator. I'll put the generator away and plug in, and, you know, we had power the rest of the night. So I don't know why it wouldn't start, because we haven't used it or anything. The only thing that's happened was it's been bouncing around on this carrier, you know, since we left there up into New York and back. So anyway, I wanted to catch you up on where we're at. Yep, and you can see, I mean, there's just a lot of stuff here, and I've got this broke loose and hanging on by one screw. So, you know, it's gonna be an effort putting it back together, but it was an effort getting it apart. So, but like I said, I wanted access to everything so I could be sure I didn't miss anything. Well, an update on the generator. It's been a couple of days since I called the service center, found out that the part wasn't available, and that would be the ignition module. And I knew I couldn't haul it around, you know, in pieces. And I decided to put it all back together, plug all the boards back in, reverse the procedure in which I took it apart. So after I got it all back together, had it been a bad connection on one of those plugs, well, I hope it doesn't do it again. If it does, I guess I'll have to figure out one at a time which connection it is and do something about it then. But can't fix what's not broke. Kind of happy about it, really, especially since you can't get that ignition module right now. I suppose I shouldn't look a gift horse in the mouth, so the old farmers used to say. Hello, thanks for coming to see Wolfie. You can have 2 pieces.
Okay.
Oh, good girl.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, trick or treat. Take 2 pieces of candy. Hello, thank you for coming to see Wolfie. You can have 2 pieces of candy. Hello, thank you for coming to see Wolfie. You can have 2 pieces of candy for trick or treat.
Thank you.
Oh, you're so welcome.
Thank you.
Wait, do you actually have an accent or is that a play?
Oh no, this is real. I am Wolfie.
Is it actually? I'm gonna take these. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're so welcome. Thanks for coming.
Love your mask, monkey.
I like your outfit.
I like your costume.
Well, this is not a costume. My name is Wolfie.
And Jolly Venture, my favorite.
All right.
Lollipop.
Wolfie has good candy.
Thank you. Wolfie has good candy.
Chocolate and cherry.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Trick or treat. Happy Halloween.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wolfie has good candy.
Oh,
course. Thank you.
Oh, you're so welcome. Happy Halloween. Thank you for coming to see Wolfie. You may have 2 pieces of Wolfie's candy.
Okay.
You're welcome. I like the vampires. You can have 2 pieces from Wolfie. Wolfie has good candy. Wolfie has good Halloween trick-or-treat candy. Hello, welcome to Wolfie's Halloween candy. Welcome to Wolfie's Halloween.
Butterfinger.
2 pieces.
2 pieces
Two
each,
Kit
yes.
Kats.
Wolfie has good candy.
Dig. Ooh. Lolly. Ooh. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Happy Halloween. You may have 2 pieces of Wolfie's good candy. Look at the dinosaur rider. I've never seen a dinosaur rider.
Okay. I need 2.
Yep, 2 pieces each. 2 pieces.
I need more.
Did you find it? Good. Bye-bye.
And from Hocus Pocus, they eat the children, so we're trying to get children.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's cool.
Good. Happy Halloween. You may have 2 pieces of Wolfie's good candy.
Thank you.
Oh, you're so welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, trick or treat.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to Wolfie's Candy.
Oh, yeah.
You can have 2 pieces. 2 pieces.
2?
Yeah, 2 pieces of candy for everyone.
Thank you.
Oh, you're so welcome. Yes. I like Spider-Man and Captain America. And hot dogs too. I like hot dogs. Oh, and looks like you're a priest or
Yep.
a man of the cloth. Yes. 2 pieces of candy you may have.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, you're so welcome. Hello, Mr. Scream. Welcome to Wolfie's Candy.
Thank you.
You may have 2 pieces of candy from Wolfie.
Thank
And
you.
your blood is running. You're welcome. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe. And also, click on the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when new material hits our channel. From Rohn and Jacki at HEISTMAN'S Hit the Road, have a great day and thanks for watching.